All right, YouTube, back at it again, making a makeshift amp rack. Boy, man, I needed these. I'm glad I grabbed them at the last junkyard I had went to. Put this carpet in there. I'm missing a spot over there. Man, truck look a whole lot better with this damn carpet, to be honest. Got this hood off. Seen something. Finna go get a wire reel brush, get all this bubbling up, prime it up. What else I got going on? Ooh, yeah. Show y'all. Ooh, black hood hinges. All black everything. Still waiting on this dude for this windshield. Got a story about this too, man. Another video though. Might as well be this video. See how this little crack? Well, I was messing with my car, and then this happened. Spider, 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 spider. That's the window I pulled from the junkyard too. So, luckily around the DFW, it don't cost that much to put a windshield in. I think the dude just quoted me 150? 150? Yeah, it was 150. 125, 150. I'm getting bit up by something out here. Cleaning out the good old Chevy, man. Got my wood. And that circles here. I'm just be doing stuff outside my apartment. Also, video coming soon about that. From moving to a new spot. See my boy Cat Loco looking for a house in the shop. I'm doing the same. Doing the same. Trying to get it ready for him so it'll be easy, man. Easy cheesy when you get over here. Well, that's about it, man. That's about it. Yes, sir. Facelift. See, I need to get me a new trade. This shit gonna be 30 minutes. Easy money. Cut y'all back on when it's finished. Thumbnail time. Oh yeah, man, done. Check it off the list. One less thing I need to worry about. I'm mad I broke it, but hey, once you got the funds, just get it done. Like, don't, what you complaining about? Just get it done. anyways, yeah. So now let's clean up this hood before I put it on. Knock out the surface rust, prime it, and call it today. All right.